Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Prime Video on PC. You can download video from Prime Video on PC. The official site offers the Amazon Prime Video download option of offline viewing through the Amazon Prime Video app. You can use the official app to download purchase, rented, and Prime membership included videos directly to your laptop for offline viewing. If you have been a Prime Video subscriber or purchased or rented videos on it, the official Prime Video app is available for Windows 10 or later. To download Amazon Prime Video on your PC, follow these steps. Head to the Microsoft Store and install the official Prime Video app on your PC. Launch the Prime Video app and log in to your Amazon Prime account. Once logged in, search for the Amazon Prime movie or show you want to download. Then, navigate to the details page of the title. Here, you'll find the download button and click on it to save the Amazon Prime Video to your computer. On Android, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Then search for Amazon Prime Video. Tap Install to download and install the app. Open the app once installed and sign in using your Amazon account credentials. Browse the content or use the search bar to find the movie or TV show you want to download. Tap on the video to open its details page and tap the download icon and select the video quality, good, better, or best, depending on your storage space and internet speed. Go to the download section in the app by tapping on the menu or the three horizontal lines and selecting downloads to view and watch your downloaded videos offline. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.